Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to add multiple destinations on Waze in 2026. If you have several places to visit during one trip, here's what you need to know. First, open Waze and enter your first destination in the search bar. Select the correct location, then tap Go to start your route. To add another stop, open the route options and look for the option to add a stop. Search for your next destination. Select the correct location and add it to your route. You can repeat this process to add additional stops, depending on what Waze currently allows on your device. Waze will then include then added stops in your navigation route. Before you start driving, review the route and make sure your destinations are in the order you want. If necessary, adjust your stops before beginning navigation. Keep in mind that Waze is designed mainly for navigation between your current location and a destination, so the available multi-stop features may vary with device and app version. And that's how to add multiple destinations on Waze. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more Waze tutorials.